Today we will learn Chinese characters.
一
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
一一一第一第一中文考试我考了第一名。中文考试我考了第一名。一个我一个人在家吃饭。我一个人在家吃饭。一天这一天过得很快。这一天过得很快。
Next, let's see how to write this character. This character is easy today, and it only has one stroke. But pay attention to write this character in the middle of the square. This character is the simplest Chinese character, and it is also the building block of many other Chinese characters. The character we learned today is more than just a number in Chinese culture. It also represents the beginning of everything. So even though it has only one stroke, its meaning is very profound. That's all for today's study. Bye.